ओम गं गणपतये नमः। ओम गुं गुरुभ्यो नमः। ओम ऐं सरस्वत्यै नमः। ओम गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुः साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। नमः शिवानन्दाय गुरवे सच्चिदानन्दमूर्तये निष्प्रपञ्चाय शान्ताय निरालम्बाय तेजसे त्वं हि विष्णुर्विरन्ति त्वं च देवो सदाशिव त्वं चैव शक्तिरूपोऽसि निर्गुणस्त्वं सनातनः। दिव्यात्मन, here is a question raised by one of our devotees to Gurudev Sri Swami Shivananda Maharaj. He asks, are there in the practice of yoga any definite indication to measure the spiritual progress of a sadhak? Gurudev answers, various yogas give various experiences. The practice of pranayama and the hatha yoga kriyas, for instance, would give a graded series of psychic experiences, seeing all kinds of ethereal lights and hearing certain anahata sounds belong to this category. The sages who have propounded these yogas have given a definite stages of spiritual experiences. As the Kundalini passes from one chakra to another, the yogi has certain definite, verifiable experiences. That is because each chakra governs a particular tattva and its mastery, therefore, obviously gives us specific experiences. If we look into Tantra Sadhana, they have been able to give a definite chart of spiritual experiences. Each sadhana has its own particular siddhi, and therefore the experience of all sadhak following a particular sadhana are invariably the same. When we enter into the domain of the spirit, we come into the sphere of infinite. Infinite are the yogas and infinite are the experiences as well. Each man's yoga is his own, for he has brought his own sanskaras and vasanas, and he strives in his own way to reach the goal. These two interacting on each other give him his various experiences and the proportionate spiritual progress. Each man's yoga is therefore his own. For instance, as one approaches the transcendental infinite immortal self, the aspirant would enjoy great inner peace and indescribable happiness. This is the most important sign of spiritual progress. God is perfect goodness, radiate peace and happiness to all those who come in contact with us. One becomes good and radiates goodness. This is the most important sign of spiritual progress. And the aspirant who progresses towards the realization of God, therefore, grows in goodness. His evil qualities slowly vanish and are replaced by sublime virtues. If this most essential element is not there, then all other visions and sounds are practically useless. By our mere experience and presence, the advanced yogi is able to inspire people and to lead They actually, in their very presence, give us the inspiration to lead a good life, free from hatred and malice. Their heart is filled with cosmic love, and therefore they serve all spontaneously and selflessly. These are precisely the real signs of spiritual progress. But beyond all these is the ultimate experience that is indescribable. Peace and happiness, undisturbed tranquility of mind. These are all great signs of spiritual progress, but they do not constitute the goal. The goal is to become God. You must become one with Him. This is achieved through ceaseless practice of meditation, and after establishing oneself in virtue and goodness. That supreme experience when the yogi feels he is one with God. No words can describe that state of supreme bliss. Hari Om. Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vasishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Jai Gurudev.